Let's go over the two-handed swing in very slow motion. Stomp your feet into the floor and create the same shape you did with the deadlift. Hinging at your hips, driving your knees open and back. Now let's reach out for the kettlebell. Tilt the kettlebell in, that way you can pull your shoulders into your lats and connect them. Sit back just a little more, and then get ready to hike the bell, hike it, and thrust your hips forward. Squeeze your glutes and let the bell float. Hike it back behind you and explode through your hips, squeezing your glutes. Make sure your heels and toes stay on the floor. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Squeeze the glutes, let that bell float. Now I want you to notice when the hips thrust, the bell keeps going. And that's not because of the arms doing the work. It's because of the power that the hips create. So the harder you thrust, the longer little rest you have, allowing the bell to finish the movement pattern. Keep the shoulders down and away from your ears. This is not a shoulder drill. This is hips, glutes, and abs. Quads are tight at the top. Heels stay on the ground. And then safely set the bell down back into that hinged position. Here it is at normal speed. Look at the way my knees are placed. It almost looks like there's a little triangle from my knees to the tops of my legs. So back to slow motion. Hike, explode through the hips. Let the bell finish the float. And actively push the kettlebell back behind you. Hike and push. Notice how close the bell is towards the top of my legs, to my inner thighs. The top's wrist area is almost touching the inner portion of the thighs. Let's see this one more time. Tilt the bell in, hike the bell back, explode. Here this is in real time. Master this before moving on to the one-arm swing. Enjoy.